So it begins. There's no turning back now. Fucking tow mirrors. Yeah. We gonna get an engine for this. We're going to buy a red Amigo. Well, it looks like I'm in the right place. I love that this guy's got a V across. Well, there she is, boys. There she is. You look good. Yeah. Little more. Little more. Time to get out of here. It's these uphills that you find out when your engine's a piece of shit. Not in the Dodge. Not in the Dodge. That right there, that's Manhattan. That's where all them city slickers like to hang out. Just pulled over to check the trailer. All is well. And look who we parked next to. A nice Titan and an old Land Cruiser. Everybody's towing something. Thank you. It's good. It's good. It's good. Stopped again. We're fine though. Drive shaft installed. All right, we made it home. Got it off the trailer. All right, you guys, first shot of the Amigos during the day. We got an Amigo and an Amiga. Bit of a difference, but it's supposed to be 4-inch suspension, big tires, and a 2-inch body lift. A lot for a little. And there's one more thing that we have to do to finish it off. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh yes, the Honda Amigos. Oh yeah. Look at this fucking jacked up 4x4 RV. F450. All right, I just ate lunch. It's just a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and hood contact. So before I was able to say that all evidence suggests that this motor has been in and out before. Come on now. Almost, you're getting close. Oh yeah. There it is. Oh yeah. Not what I wanted. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I can't work. It's raining sideways. Skirt. Alright, rear main seal. Nice. That's probably tight enough. Okay, let's install the clutch. Alright, with the clutch like this, you know we're gonna be breaking axles. We got our clutch experts clutch installed. And for those of you who know the brand Clutch Experts, you know that that is a eBay special. Oh, that's a hot rod. Jesus fucking Christ. I just cleaned the shit out of this oil pan, and if you want to see what it looked like before we cleaned it, you need to click on this video that I'm about to link in the whatever. Alright kids.
Are you ready, kids?
This is why you use RTV sparingly. I just pulled all of that out of the oil filter. So shame on frickin' you. Alright, just drove 2 hours round trip. Dun 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 dun. I think I'm ready. Wheels on the ground and the jack's maxed out. Alright YouTube, this is where I'm gonna ask you to like and subscribe my fucking video, because, you know, I'm doing this for you. This is my car that I love, that I want to drive, but it's for you. I think that means it's in there. That'll do, donkey. That'll do.
That'll do, donkey. That'll do.
Somebody's thirsty.
Somebody's thirsty. Yeah.
Glug, 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 glug. Alright, it just half cranked. Oh! Okay, first startup. All right, we got to check engine light. Let's see if it goes in reverse. All right, it moves. As long as you stay on the highway, you'll be all right. When you go to the shop and all you wanted was a tune-up. What the? I can't believe they gave me 4 beans for this car. 4 whole beans. Not quite the magic kind of beans, but the regular kind of beans. I almost wish he like smashed into it and... Not my oil pan.
Alright, see ya.
Not my Amigo.
That rig is wicked.
Well, the YouTube got delayed another day because now we're doing this. Now we're doing that.
And we were doing that.
And we were doing that.
We only got to put a
This
nut
is
on.
going to be its own video. This video is going to get posted first, so stay tuned to watch us lift the Liberty. Also like and subscribe. You fucking animal. Alright, so I want to drive the car, and the only way to drive the car is to cut it. So I drew this squiggly ass line with a regular pen, and we'll see how straight I can make it with the Sawzall. I'm gonna cut right in between here because it's thinner, and if I have to cut off more later, that's fine. So anyway,
I started blasting. Bah, bah.
That came out perfect.
I still trim the bumper off in the front just to fit my 35s.
Don't cut your hand off.
fucking cut. Whatever footage we get. I already snipped them, so let's go. I'm gonna take my time. It's not as if I'm rushing because I'm on camera, but you only can cut them once. Again, I eyeballed it and loosely drew on it with a ballpoint pen.
As you can see here. She gone.
Dude, once again, I'm gonna have to look at the camera and say that came out fucking perfect. God dang. Let's hope the greens are as strong as the yellows.
Plastic. Back. You just gotta cut a little more plastic.
I think it's out of gas.
I think it's out of gas too. Can it do burnouts?
We're gonna find out.
On this episode of Dragging the Bumper. Doesn't do burnouts.
Did I break it yet? Not yet.